Today, we are going to draw a shy little friend who lives under the ground. It's a mole. Step 1. Let's draw a tall rainbow for the body. Draw 2 tiny rainbows on top of his head. Now he has ears. Draw 2 small circles and color them in black. Draw a small circle for the nose. Then, draw a bigger circle right under it for his snout. Now, draw straight lines for the whiskers. Now for the hands, let's draw shapes that look like upside-down tulips. These help him dig through the dirt. Last step. Our mole is popping out of the ground. Draw a bumpy cloud shape at the bottom. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.